Hi everyone, welcome back to Smarta.
With Marta. Today we're here to see the answers for the rounding up subtraction video. So make sure you've already done your work. We're going to start with our shout outs. My shout out is for Catherine S. She has been doing a lot of her regular work, her math, her reading, her writing, but she's also doing some fun things with her family that are learning things. Like her mom told me they did a Canada puzzle.
Oh, nice.
So she was able to see all the provinces and the capital cities, but it was while doing something fun, like a puzzle. What a great idea, Catherine.
That just reminded me, we should really show them your puzzle one day of the globe you have.
Ooh.
I'll do that in this video. I'll run when you're doing the
Maybe
the
Rexy
final
can
things.
show it at the end.
Good idea. Rexy's going to show you Mrs. Marta's really cool 3D puzzle.
Okay, what's your shout out?
My shout out's to Scotia. Scotia does a really great job in a lot of things, but one thing in particular is her attitude during this stay-at-home working. And what I mean by that is this. I get an email about once a week from Scotia. She doesn't send every day, so she doesn't say, here's my math, here's my social, here's my writing. She waits till the end of the week and sends me one big email with all her math, all her social studies, all her everything, all her writing, and all her activities she's been doing. And what's really cool is in the pictures that show not only her work, but show her, Scotia's always got this huge smile on her face, no matter what she's doing, whether it's writing, reading, social studies, going for a bike ride. There's always this big smile, including this last week when she obviously wiped out on her bicycle and she's pointing to a big road rash on her leg where she got obviously really badly scraped, and she's pointing at it, smiling and thumbs up. She's just always got a great attitude.
A very positive attitude.
Attitude goes a long ways.
Good job, Scotia. All right, your joke is first.
My joke comes from Corbin. So thanks again, boys and girls, for sending in jokes. Keep sending in the jokes. Corbin's joke. What is the strongest animal in the ocean?
What is it?
A mussel.
Good one. All right, my joke is from Catherine B. Why couldn't the teddy bear eat his dessert?
Because Mrs. Marta got to it first.
Wrong. Try again.
Don't know.
Because he was stuffed.
Haha, teddy bear.
Oh, that makes me wonder about the bear that's in my classroom. Sir reads a lot.
Oh.
Do you know what? He's probably just in there reading all the books while he's by himself.
Imagine getting all the books you want. Nobody else can borrow them. He's got Sir Read-A-Lot's got his own library.
Sir Read-A-Lot, if you're watching this video, I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Enjoy your private library, Sir Read-A-Lot.
Okay, meet us over at the easel. Okay, we're here doing the subtraction, rounding up answers. If you have not done the on your own questions yet, you are in the wrong place. You need to do these questions before you watch me do them for you. All right, so first thing I'm going to do when I'm presented with a question is I'm going to stack it up to see if I need to do it the easy way or the rounding up way. Or as Mr. Marta says, the place value way or the rounding up way. I have 6. Can I take 3 away? Yes. I have 4. Can I take 2 away? Yes. So I'm just going to do it. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Give yourself a check mark if you got that one right. All right, next I'm going to stack this one up. I'm having trouble keeping the cardboard there. 59 minus 36. I have 5. Can I take 3 away? 5, 3. Yep, I have 9. Can I take 6 away? Yep, so I'm just going to do straight place value. 5 take away 3 is 2. 9 take away 6 is 3. Give yourself a check mark. I started you off pretty easy, didn't I? All right, let's go on to this one. I stack it up. 62 minus 35. I have 6. Can I take 3 away? Yep. I have 2. Can I take 5 away? No, not unless I want to go into negative numbers, and in this case, I don't. So I have to round up my bottom number. The next 10 after 35 is 40. How did I get from 35 to 40? The friendly fact of 5 is 5. Now, math rules, super important. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So I add 5. I have 62 plus 5, which is 67. Now I have an easy subtract. 7 take away 0 is 7. 6 take away 4 is 2. Give yourself a check mark. All right, 78 minus 41. I have 7. Can I take 4 away? I have 8. Can I take 1 away? Yes, so straight place value. 7 take away 4 is 3. 8 take away 1 is 7. I'm on to question. Oh, give yourself a check mark. Yes, Mr. Marta.
I was just noticing, we forgot to tell the boys and girls that this rule of whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top, only applies to subtraction. You can't do this with addition because it'll change your answer altogether.
Not if you added 3 to the bottom and to the top. Oh yeah, it would. You're right.
Yeah, so this rule only works for subtraction.
Whew, good thing you pointed that out, Mr. Marta. All right, I have 91. Take away 36. I can see 9 is bigger than 3. That works. But 1 is not bigger than 6. So I'm going to have to round up. So the next 10 after 36 is 40. What's my friendly fact of 6? It's 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 91 plus 4 is 95. And then I have to subtract. 5 take away 0 is 5. 9 take away 4, 55. All right, I hope you're with me. I hope you're doing well. Let's look at the next one. 86 minus 39. So I see that 8 is bigger than 3. That's okay. I see that 6 is not greater than 9, so I'm going to have to round up. This one's not so bad. The next 10 after 39, 40. Look at that. I have a lot of 40s. I'm liking the 40s today.
A new favorite number.
Guess so. So 39, the friendly fact of 9 is 1. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 86 and 1 is 87. Now I do the place value subtracting. Oops, just about did it wrong. 8 take away 4, 47. All right, we're good, Mr. Marta?
We are, but wait. All this filming is hard work.
I guess I'll just have one later.
Oh, that looks scrumptious. Good luck doing your math, boys and girls.
All right, are you brave? Did you try these questions? Let's find out. All right, I have 243 minus 138. I have 2. Can I take 1 away? Yes. I have 4. Can I take 3 away? Yes, it's looking good. I have 3. Can I take 8 away? No, I have to round up. So the next 10 after 138, there's that 40 again, Mr. Marta, is 140. 13 tens, 14 tens. Friendly fact of 8 was 2. Then what do I have to do to the top? I added 2 to the bottom. I have to add 2 to the top. 243 plus 2 is 245. Now I can subtract. All right, did you get that one? If you did, you need like a lot of check marks, stars, happy faces, rainbows, unicorns, whatever you need. Let's try this one. 745 minus 612. Let's check if we can do place value. I have 7. Can I take 6 away? I have 4. Can I take 1 away? I have 5. Can I take 2 away? Yes, it's an easy one. 7 take away 6 is 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. One more check mark for you if you got that far. All right, we are going to be practicing this for a few weeks because I know this is tricky. I don't expect you to be really good at this yet. We're going to work on it. And Mr. Marta's hand is up again.
So, boys and girls, Mrs. Marta and I both know that a lot of you are challenging yourselves and making extra questions, and that's fantastic. When you make your extra questions for this kind of work, you may run into a situation where you've rounded up. So let's do 243 again, Mrs. Marta. Minus 168. Now, when you get in a situation like this and you round up, I'll let Mrs. Marta take it in a second, you will notice that it's not going to make it a place value question. Mrs. Martin and I will, in future videos, show you how to solve
I'm going to show you right now.
Okay, perfect. She's going to show you right now.
So I add 2, just like I did there. I have 245. So now I notice this 4 is smaller than the 7. So what I have to do is go up to the next 100. So I take 170 up to the next 100, which is 200, and the friendly fact. So 170 plus 30 equals 200. Then 245 plus 30 equals 275. And then I have 75. Is that right, Mr. Martin?
You are. Well done, Mrs. Martin.
Whew! All right, it's time for Rexy's joke. All right, you made it to the end. Here's Rexy, ready to tell you a joke. He's also doubling as a table, holding on to that puzzle that Mr. Marta was telling you about. But before we look at the puzzle, we're going to hear Rexy's joke today. Why can't a T-Rex tell a joke while standing on ice?
Why can't a T-Rex tell a joke while standing on ice?
Because it might crack up.
Definitely with the big T-Rex on it.
All right, this is the puzzle Mr. Marta was telling you about. I'm going to take it off Rexy's tabletop. Mr. Marta's going to come close so you can see the puzzle pieces. It's actually a 3D round puzzle of the world, and it was pretty easy when I was doing the countries. But then when I got to big pieces of water, like this in the Pacific Ocean, that part was not easy.
Can you tell them how come it makes a circle?
What do you mean, how come it makes a circle?
The pieces aren't flat.
Oh no, the pieces are a little bit bent, and they're not actually cardboard like a regular puzzle. They're plastic, which makes them a little more sturdy. If this was cardboard, I don't think it would stick together like that. All right, see you next time.